20th Century Technology. Hi, friends. Today, we are going to learn about 20th century technology, from the assembly line to the internet. You can read along with us by downloading this lesson plan from our website, learnbright.org. Let's get started. You probably know that a century is 100 years. But did you know that historians sometimes organize history into 100-year periods? Although it makes sense to categorize time chronologically, compiling a list of the most significant events during that time generates considerable debate among historians. Historians often debate whether a cultural event is more significant than a technological one, or if a natural disaster takes precedent over a war. Is the election of an American president more important than the change of a government on another continent? You can see how difficult it is to decide. Every historian has a point of view and an opinion. Think about it. If you were to make a list of events during a year of your life and rank them from most to least important, what day comes first? Perhaps your birthday or another holiday? Maybe it's the last day of school and the start of summer? Historians have the same problem. They don't always agree on which events should be on the list. The 20th century was a time when there were literally dozens of important events that affected nearly everyone worldwide. So, let's dive into a timeline of the significant technological changes brought forth in the 20th century, beginning with January 1st, 1901, and ending with December 31st, 2000. Mass production and the assembly line, circa 1901. The assembly line had been in use since the late 1800s. Some historians credit Eli Whitney, of cotton gin fame, as creating the first assembly line. Around 1901, Ransom Olds and Henry Ford revolutionized the manufacturing industry by introducing the assembly line to mass-produce automobiles. Soon, other industries adopted mass production and assembly lines, producing thousands of consumer goods less expensively, while providing good-paying jobs for Americans. Before the 20th century, most goods were made by hand, one at a time. Around what year did people start using the assembly line to produce automobiles? 1901. Together, Ransom Olds and Henry Ford revolutionized the manufacturing industry. Airplanes and air travel, 1903. In 1903, the Wright brothers flew the first airplane at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. The flight lasted 12 seconds. However, it demonstrated that it was possible to create a machine that could lift off the ground and fly. From their short flight, a global industry was established, connecting the world by air and transforming the way freight was shipped. Annually, the airplane industry is estimated to generate over $1 trillion globally and continues to expand. Where was the first airplane flown? Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. The flight only lasted for 12 seconds. Radio and television, 1920s to 1930s. Long before satellites, cell phones, and cable, the radio was the primary means of communication for most people, providing them with news and other information. The radio was pioneered by Nikola Tesla and Guglielmo Marconi. Marconi is often credited with inventing the radio. However, his invention was built upon the work and patents obtained by Tesla in the late 1890s. Television was a gradual process with very primitive forms appearing in the late 1920s. It would not replace the radio as the primary source of communication until better technologies appeared after World War II. Were you surprised to learn that certain forms of television have been around for almost 100 years? Why or why not? Penicillin, 1928. Possibly the most important advancement in medical science was the invention of penicillin. Alexander Fleming ushered in the era of antibiotics, reducing the number of deaths from infections and paving the way for a new frontier in medical research. Penicillin enabled the effective treatment of conditions, such as pneumonia. It played a crucial role in saving millions of lives during World War II. Why is penicillin so important? It paved the way for new medical research and reduced the number of deaths from infections, among many other things. Nuclear technology, 1938. Several German scientists, chemists Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann, and physicists Lise Meitner and Otto Robert Frisch made a landmark discovery: nuclear fission. We often associate nuclear fission with the first atomic bomb, secretly created in a research facility called the Manhattan Project in 1945. Atomic energy revolutionized the way in which electrical power is generated and remains in many parts of the world as the primary source of energy. The advancement in atomic fission led to numerous related discoveries in chemistry and physics, redefining our understanding of the universe. Do you think that nuclear technology is more helpful or more harmful? Why? Humankind ventures into space. 1957. Sputnik, a Russian satellite launched in 1957, marked the beginning of the space race. The first human to go into space was the Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin, who orbited our planet once before returning to Earth. The United States quickly countered, launching the first American in space, Alan Shepard, on May 5, 1961. Several space flights occurred until 1969, when the U.S. landed the first men on the moon, Apollo 11, astronauts Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong. Later, the Americans developed the Space Shuttle, which led to the emergence of new industries in the 21st century, including commercial space flights and advanced satellite technologies. What is the name of the first satellite launched into space? Sputnik. Sputnik was launched by Russia in 1957, which marked the beginning of the space race. Genetics, medicine, and biotechnology, 1953 to 1999. James Watson and Francis Crick opened the door to a new field, genetic engineering. They discovered the double helix, the key to understanding DNA, and the foundation of personalized medicine. In December of 1954, Dr. Joseph Murray performed the first organ transplant. He successfully transplanted a kidney from one twin brother to the other, leading to other life-saving organ transplant surgeries. The discoveries created an innovative new field of medicine called biotechnology, which fused advanced medicine and genetics with technology. Which organ was used in the first successful organ transplant? A kidney. This success led to other life-saving organ transplant surgeries. Telecommunication, personal computing, and the Internet, 1970 to 1999. Although the telephone became common in homes in the 1920s, it wasn't until advancements in telecommunications led to the development of the cell phone, which was untethered from phone lines. The history of computers is complex, and some historians credit Charles Babbage with the first invention in 1830. The first electronic version was ENIAC, developed in 1945. However, it was the home and personal computer, Kenbach 1, 1971, that revolutionized the industry. The internet began in the 1960s, primarily with military applications. Then, in 1989, Tim Berners-Lee's invention of the World Wide Web further expanded the internet, leading to its widespread public use in the 1990s. When did the internet begin? The 1960s. Back then, it was primarily used for the military. As you have read, these are some of the technological advancements in the 20th century that made that era one of the most dynamic in history. Several other technological advances easily could have made the list. It's easy to see why historians have such a difficult time deciding what's most important to write about a whole century. Thanks for learning with us today. If this information was interesting to you, make sure to check out the activity section of the lesson plan. You will learn even more interesting info about technology, including the origins of famous toys and games. See you next time.
Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.